Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome with a new video. So today I'm going to make a video on the self-given analysis of the RRB NTPC exam. So this is the first attempt in RRB NTPC and I was having the exam on June 12th, the shift 1. Actually this is quite late today. I'm doing this analysis after 2 days. After some time I also forgot what are the questions which appeared in the exam, and also I even forgot the level of exam and the attempts I made in that exam. So thought of making the video. Okay, so I don't have the exact questions now because already 2 days gone. So I can't really remember the exact questions now. So the first was one question was on the function of f5, and they given the options in the form of like statements. So what was the India's rank in the climate change performance index, and it is 10th. Then one was like the slum was built in a 2.5 a day, that is in Ajmer. So it was built by whom? That is Kutubuddin Aibak. And to select the paragraph, what is the shortcut we use in the Microsoft? They had given the options. Triple click will be answer, I guess. I don't know what I marked there. One question was related to the Harappan civilization. The people in that civilization were using what kind of metals? Like tools, for the tools, that is iron, bronze, steel, wooden. So like this. And one more question was also there on the Harappan civilization only. I think it is, yes, it is here. That is Lothal. The options were like maritime trade or spiritual rituals, and 2 more options were there. I can't remember now. Then one was iodine is placed in which group of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay. Then the Ministry of Statistics report. It was released for like every week, every day, every month, and quarterly or half yearly. So like this it was given. Then in Arunachal Pradesh, the Himalayan ranges are from dash to dash. I mean, they had given the options like southwest to northwest, northwest to east. So like this they had given the mountain ranges, the direction they asked. Then Pune Pact on behalf of Mahatma Gandhi. So there was a question related to this. I don't know what was the answer for this. And then the reservation for economically weaker section. So they had given the options like 10%, 13%, 25. So like this. And they had given some of the articles, and that is a social system based on justice. So this related article we have to mark there. Then these are the only questions I remember now from this section. So coming to the arithmetic or quant section. So there was 2 questions on simple interest, on compound interest, and one was on the compound interest, that is 18%, and for 1 year it was half yearly. Then one question was like they had given the area of the cube, and we have to find the volume of that cube. So in the question they had given this numerical data of 216 centimeter square, and the options were like 108 meter cube, 216 meter cube. So like that options were there. Then one question was related to the hemisphere. I don't remember what was the question now. And one was based on the LCM and FCF and partnership. So it was quite calculative, I thought. I mean, the question was like A invested for 4 months and B invested for 4 months, and after 4 months B decreased its investment by 2000 something. So after 5 months B again increased, or so like that it was given. So I got confused there and left the question. Okay. And there was one question which is related to the mixture allocation. Like they had given the mixture of A and B in the form of ratio. Later some of the mixture was taken out and some of the some liters of water is added, and we have to find the final ratio of the alcohol and water. I don't know what was the liquid they mentioned. Then one was related to the profit and loss. There are 2 questions related to this, and it was easy. Then one was related to the average, and this was also doable, like basic question. Then this was like GK question, dynasty based, and this is a science question like penicillin. What was the revolution created by penicillin? So something like that. Like what was the revolution caused by the penicillin? And I marked it created the antibiotic era, like that. So some more options were also there. I don't remember them. And all the GK questions are, I guess, from January to May only. Since I didn't read the current affairs, so I was not able to mark the questions. But all were current affairs only. There was nothing related to static. That is what I felt. Okay, next. The one question was related to the Gram Panchayat, means the definition for the Gram Panchayat. So one option was like block level committee, and another one is it is a district head and governed by government, so something. And so some more options were also there. I don't remember the exact definition for this in the options they had given. Then coming to the reasoning section. So 2 seating arrangement puzzle was there, seating arrangement, and 1 circular arrangement question was there, and day based puzzle, that is Monday to Saturday. Then direction based, then blood relation. Then 2 to 3 questions were like this. They had given the 3-digit numbers. Okay, and there we have to find the highest numbers second digit and the lowest numbers first digit, and from those two digits we have to make operations like we have to add or we have to subtract. So like this they had asked. I think 2 to 3 questions were there, and two coding decoding questions were there, and one was like they had given the alphabets. So there, if vowels must be increased by one, like succeeding letters, and the consonants must be subtracted to the previous letters, and after that we have to find the repeated words or not repeated words. So like that, and in the miscellaneous questions, so one question was like they had given, it was starting from I guess 517, so like this. So there we have to increase the even numbers by 1, and odd numbers should be subtracted by 2. So after that I was getting like 640 something. So they asked, so after performing the operations we have to add the first three digits from the left side. So I was getting 6 plus 2 as 10, but in the option it was not there. But later I thought, okay, maybe the question is like this, we have to add the last three digits from the right hand. So if I add those digits I was getting 22, which was there in the option. But I again checked the question, so they asked the three digits from the left, we have to sum them, so that I left as it is. So overall, if I talk about the level of the exam, it was very easy compared to the banking exams, because in arithmetic questions um, all were doable. Actually they are not complex questions, complicated, not complicated. So they are all doable, since some I forgot some of the basics of the arithmetics, like time and distance, time speed distance, about and streams, and so I was not able to solve some of the questions. And GK I didn't even read that, so I didn't answer them. And and the thing is, in this shift I didn't saw the questions on the figures, mirror images, so like that. So only arithmetic, current affairs, and easy reasoning only. I think silogs were there, they are all easy. then then some questions were like we have to replace this, like a means divided by b means minus, so like this the question, two questions were also there. And overall I attempted only 53 questions, and I know I made some questions wrong. And do let me know what was your attempts in this exam. And thanks for watching. Please to subscribe for more videos and update like this, and follow Banking Spark.